no one's just going to stand here and hold my wrist, right? He's going to use that as an attack or as a means to pull me, right? And I'm going to use that energy. So and we're going to go slow on this. So as he comes in and he pulls, I come in here by lifting my hand up, grabbing the wrist and coming around to the inside and circling around, right? Well, there's a danger to that, as you can see. So if you're going to do that, you need to make sure that you're doing it properly, right? So as you come in here, I can escape. I'm going to grab the hand this way, but I'm going to cover before I come in, and I'm going to cover, right? And then you can control them however you want. But it's important to realize that if you go in and you give the back, boom, you cover, right? Always protecting yourself as you go around. Now, of course, everything's different because the escape point is in a different location. So, like, if you're going to grab me this way, it's different than this way, right?
Right, it totally changes the principle. Pull you,
pull me,
come this
right?
way.
Exactly. So if you're this way, from this, he's probably not going to pull me because the grip isn't designed to do that in this formation, right? It's more now he wants to push me, right? So I'm going to use that energy as he pushes me to move around it, and then it makes this technique come on even easier and quicker, right? So I take that energy that he gives me as he pushes, I move around and flow into here. Right? From here, I can control, take him down, and have full control right here. Okay? Now, like I've said in some of my other videos, there's a big difference between martial arts and women's self-defense. So when I focus on women's self-defense, I teach things that are much simpler. So if somebody were to grab him this way, and he's pushing, for example, you're just going to come in here, do a simple slap to the ear, right? A cupped hand slap right to the ear. And we have lots of statistics that show that in real life situations, this works really well, okay? So if you want to simplify, and the thing about women's self-defense is that most martial artists are the ones who started teaching women's self-defense. And so they were relying upon what they knew. We need to simplify things and use gross motor skills versus really refined motor skills that it takes of years of training as you study to become a martial artist.
Absolutely.